In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media planner in Notion. Whether you're planning posts for multiple platforms or just trying to keep your ideas organized, this quick walkthrough will get you set up with a clean, ready-to-use planner in minutes. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. On the homepage, you'll see options to log in or launch Notion. If you're already signed in, Launch Notion will take you straight into the app. If not, click Login and enter your credentials so you can access your content. Once you're in, head to your workspace. If you have more than one, make sure you're in the one where you want the planner to live, so everything stays organized for you and your team. Now, create a new page. You can usually do this from the left sidebar by selecting Create New Page. This opens a blank page where we'll bring in a pre-built structure instead of starting from scratch. On this new page, look for the templates option. Sometimes it's right in front of you on the page or the sidebar. If you don't see templates, click Marketplace. That will take you to Notion's broader collection where you can browse or search community and official templates. In the search bar, type social media planners. This will filter everything down to templates designed specifically for scheduling content, tracking platforms, organizing campaigns, and monitoring performance. Take a moment to browse the templates made available to you, look at the previews, read the descriptions, and notice how each template handles calendars, content pipelines, and status tags. Some focus on a weekly schedule, while others emphasize ideas, assets, and publishing checklists. Think about what fits your workflow and the platforms you use. Once you've found one that suits your needs, click Add. Notion will place a copy of that template into your workspace so it's yours to use and adjust. At this point, the planner is ready to go. You'll see built-in views like calendars or tables, along with properties such as status, platform, publish date, and more. These are there to help you visualize your pipeline, spot gaps in your schedule, and keep everything consistent across channels. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. You now have a social media planner in Notion that you can use right away to map out your content and stay on top of your posting schedule. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.